Hello beautiful people! Today I'm so excited to share with you my grandma's gnocchi recipe. Reminds me a lot my childhood, and I was kind of surprised that it was easy and simple to make it. I remember when I was a kid and she was making, I was like, oh my god, this is so hard. I'll never learn how to do it. And then it was easy. She has a special ingredient that she used, and now I'm sharing with you. So follow me and let's do it. So that's it. Simple, isn't it? So I hope you all enjoy. Let me know how you go. Share with your friends. I made some tomato sauce, homemade tomato sauce. Let me know if you want that recipe as well. You can serve with the salad. You can add some nutritional yeast on top. And I hope you enjoy. See you next recipe.